Hey, are you guys wondering how to create your company's page on LinkedIn? Then this video is for you. You are at the right place, and without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, open up your web browser, then log into your LinkedIn account. On the top right corner, you'll find For Business icon. Tap on that. A sub-menu will emerge on your screen. And then you have to toggle on the Create a Company Page option. Then amongst the three options, choose Company option. Fill up your company details like the name, website, industry, organization size, organization type, upload its logo, also a tagline if any. Then click on the Verify checkbox and then finally click on the Create button. And that's all. You have successfully created your company's page on LinkedIn. If you find this video informative or useful, then give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe our channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Till then, keep watching GetAssist.